welcome to Miss Mia Cat's art room, coming via my spare room. Beautiful, isn't it? I hope everyone's having a fantabulous day. And today we're going to be doing some watercolors, but I've had to ask my mum and my dad if I can go use these things because it stains your hands. Ew. So we have to be very, very careful with these. Food colouring. If you've got some food colouring at home, brilliant, because I've got all my primary colours here. I've got my yellow, my blue, and my red. I'm going to mix this with water because it's super, super, super strong. And we'll see what other colours we can make and what a beautiful picture we might be able to do today as well. Okay, I'll see what I've done. And if you would like, you can actually take a photo of your artwork and put them on the Facebook pages that you've been given as well. So, see you later. Bye.